Today, I'm turning simple, Ajwa, dates into a luxury Ramadan centerpiece. This is not just a date arrangement. This is Ramadan elegance in edible form, made with premium Ajwa dates, layered into a handcrafted tree crown, finished with gold accents and moss detailing. This luxury Ramadan centerpiece is both art and dessert. In this video, I created a luxury Ramadan centerpiece using premium Ajwa dates arranged into a beautiful tree design. This unique Iftar table showpiece is made on a 6-inch cake dummy and covered the sides with textured white fondant because I wanted a more polished and refined finish. To complete the natural look, I finished it with handmade edible moss for a natural garden effect. The contrast of glossy dates, soft white texture, and edible moss creates a sophisticated Ramadan display that's perfect for iftar gatherings, Eid dessert tables, or even luxury date gifting. I've never seen anyone create an Ajwa date tree like this before. This might be the first of its kind online. This design is simple to recreate, but makes a powerful, stunning statement for your Ramadan celebration. Let me know in the comments. Would you serve this at your iftar table? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative Ramadan dessert ideas. Cook for You spreads tasty food around the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Ramadan Date Tree. Let's get started. First, let's make edible moss. Crack 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon icing sugar. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Mix until airy. Add green food colour. Add more if required. Combine well. Add 3 tablespoons self-raising flour. Add 1½ teaspoons baking powder. Fold using the cut and fold technique. Transfer into a cup. Microwave it for 1 minute. I overcooked it for 30 more seconds, but 1 minute is enough. Our mousse is ready. Run a knife along the side of the mug. Remove it. Look how fluffy it is. You can decorate cakes and desserts with this. Time to make our tree. Start with a 6-inch round base and secure with a wooden skewer or dowel. I'm using black fondant to support the tree trunk. Use edible glue to stick the trunk. Place the small 6 centimetre diameter foam ball on top. It works even if the base isn't conical. Use a styrofoam ball or floral foam on a stick as the trunk. You'll need 450 grams of Ajwa dates. Attach dates using toothpicks or skewers all around the ball. Stick them directly into the foam base at the bottom. Push toothpicks with dates sticking out like branches. Push one end into the foam ball and skewer 1 or 2 dates on each stick. If you attach 2, you'll have to double the quantity of dates. Place them all around the ball so it looks like a spherical cluster of fruits. Ajwa dates look amazing as a tree because they are dark and elegant, perfect for a Ramadan centerpiece. Thread dates onto the skewers. Start from the bottom of the foam ball, second row slightly above. Go around in rows and continue upward until full. Place them very close together. The dates will hang like miniature fruits. It will look like a tree of dates floating in mid-air. Very elegant for a table centerpiece. This layering makes it look like a real fruit tree crown. Fill the gaps, tie the ribbon, place edible moss around the trunk. I'm using fondant accents, but you can scatter small flowers, nuts or dried fruits for extra elegance. You can decorate the edges with green leaves, small lanterns, beads, gold ribbons, small ornaments, fairy lights, or small flowers for a festive Ramadan touch. Add artificial leaves or small golden beads between the dates to mimic a tree texture. The dates are quite heavy, which is causing the tree to lean to one side. I wasn't happy with the raw styrofoam finish, so I added textured fondant around the sides to create a more polished and elegant look. Wrap the base, dummy surface with green moss, edible leaves or decorative stones to hide the foam. Cut a long strip for the side wall first, wrap around tightly, use water to stick the fondant. You can lightly dust it with pearl powder or leave it pure matte white. You can also spray a little edible shimmer. Try it and share your valuable feedback with us. Tag us and show me your creativity next. Some ChatGPT thoughts. This is already sellable. ChatGPT gave me 5 out of 5 ratings. Would you give us 5 out of 5 rating? Midnight Ajwa tree, the most luxurious Ramadan date centerpiece ever. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.